Well, we made it out here to the shop at Jeff's Auto Body and Custom. I'll put all the links in the description below, but let's take a walk in and see what the guys are working on today.
Holy
All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna take my coat off. We're gonna get with Jeff and see what we're working on here. So I'll see you here in a bit. What is up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today we are out here at Jeff's Auto Body and Customs. We stopped in here to see what the guys are up to. Today they are putting a FASS fuel system on one of the tow trucks. This is Jeff's tow truck that he uses a lot of, and it's a Powerstroke. They almost have it all buttoned up. They're just tidying up a few things, and I'm going to show you guys as far as what they did, and we're going to talk to Jeff as far as how's it improve the Powerstroke diesel. So while they're underneath, we're going to go underneath there, and I'm going to show you a little bit of what's going on where they had their system set up, and then when Jeff comes out from underneath, we're going to let him explain a little bit as far as what does the FASS fuel system do. So Jeff, how are we looking down here?
Good, good.
You think
got it all done?
All right.
Very good system.
As you guys can see, there's the filters there, and that's where it mounts to. Well, like I said, we're going to let these guys wrap things up here, and then we'll have Jeff give us a little walk around and tell you about what the system does. The FASS fuel system is installed now in this Ford Powerstroke, so we got Jeff out from underneath the truck, and he's going to explain a little bit about the FASS fuel system, what it does, the install on this truck, how hard it was, and we're going to give you a little walk around and show you what was done and if there was any problems he came across. So Jeff, what does the FASS fuel system do for a Powerstroke?
It's a high performance fuel system, and it gives you more fuel pressure, cooling for the fuel system, and it has bigger canisters, and it's just better for the injection pump and the whole fuel system in the Powerstroke.
Oh, okay. So let's take a look at what Jeff did here. So in this kit, what up front here, what did you have to do for this kit?
Up front, the only thing you really have to do is run the harness up through here and run direct power, and then everything else is underneath the truck, okay, to the pump.
Do you have any other plans for your Powerstroke on the wrecker?
Yes, we're going to put the upper charge cooler tube on and the lower charge cooler and another intercooler in it, a performance one from BD Diesel.
Awesome. So if you guys want to see any of that install, hit me up in the comments below. If you hit me up in the comments, we'll definitely show some of those videos if you have the time and stuff. We could do some of that. Sure. So let's go underneath and show everybody what's all entail underneath on the truck.
Cool.
All right, now that we climbed up underneath the back half of the truck, Jeff, so what are we looking at here?
We're looking at the pump and filter system here from FASS. Right here's your water separator filter. This is your fuel filter. And up in here are your 1-inch lines. Return to the tank, feed from the tank, and then you'll have to take your tank down to run the siphon tube, drill through your tank, and put the siphon tube in, which is recommended with the kit.
Okay, so to drill into your tank, you just go through the pickup?
Right.
Okay. And here's the top view of the install. And then what, the wires come down along the frame rail from the front?
Right, this is some of the harness that comes direct off the pump, and then it goes up to the front to your battery with a relay and a switch.
Okay. So how hard was it to install here, and how did, being that this is on a tow truck, did you have to modify anything?
The bracket we had to modify because this isn't a truck with a box on it. It has the wrecker unit on it, so we had to modify the bracket a little bit. We cut and re-welded the bracket because I wanted it up underneath the tunnel boxes a little tighter. But if you're running a pickup truck, it'll direct bolt up into the box bolts.
Okay, cool. Now, what is with the one filter with the little valve there or T-nut there? What's that for?
That's for water. If you get water in your filter, you can drain the water out here get your diesel fuel out when it's clear with diesel, and then just tighten it back up.
So what's left back here that you have to do to finish this up?
All I got to do is put the heat shield on the tank, and we're ready to go. It's up and running.
Well, there you guys have it. You've seen what happened here. Now, Jeff, how long did it take you to install this system on your truck?
About 5 to 6 hours on this wrecker. A pickup truck, probably about 3 to 4.
Oh, that's not too bad then. And what does the system really do again?
It performance high pressure fuel pump, and it gives you better fuel economy, a little bit more horsepower. They're saying like 30 to 50%, which I don't know yet without running the truck.
So once again, guys, if you want us to do a little update to see how much better gas mileage you get on with the system, do you mind if we come back and do a little update and see if it actually does? All right, guys. So smash down on that like, comment, subscribe button if you want to see the update video on this, and comment down below if you say comment update, and then we'll give you what, how many months do you think we should give them?
Yeah, about a month or 2.
All right, we'll come back in a month or 2, check with Jeff to see how the system works out for him. Well, I'd like to thank everybody for watching. So till next time, I'm Joe. This is Jeff. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how we roll. Wicked Fabz!